So, you're holding an iPhone 14 Pro and staring at the SIM card tray like it's a NASA control panel? Relax, I've got you. Let me walk you through installing your SIM card, step by step, like the total phone wizard you are. First, grab the SIM ejector tool that came with your iPhone box. It's that weird pin you probably almost threw away. If you've already lost it, and let's be honest, most of us do, a paperclip works just as well. Pro tip, avoid safety pins. They bend. Look on the right side of your iPhone 14 Pro. You'll see this tiny ovalish hole just below the side button. That's your target zone. Gently insert the ejector tool or paperclip straight into this hole. Don't wiggle or stab it. It's a SIM tray, not a piñata. Apply a little pressure until the SIM tray pops out. It doesn't launch out like toast from a toaster, so you might need to use your nails to fully pull it free. This is where patience beats kung fu strength. Take your SIM card and ensure the gold chip area is facing downward. If you're holding the tray vertically, the slanted corner of the SIM card should align with the matching edge of the tray. It's literally shaped so you can't mess this up. Once the SIM card is seated snugly, slide the tray back into the iPhone. It only fits one way, so if you're forcing it, that's your cue to chill and double check. Smooth insertion is the key here. No cracks, snaps, or pops. Here's where some users freak out. You'll need to restart your iPhone after inserting the SIM card. Hold the side button until the power off slider appears, shut it down, then turn it back on. Yes, it's 2023, and we're still restarting things. After rebooting, your iPhone 14 Pro should start searching for a signal automatically. If it doesn't, go to Settings, Cellular, and make sure your plan is active. If it's not, you might need to contact your carrier. Don't skip this. No SIM equals no connection. For eSIM users asking if this is necessary, nope, this is strictly for physical SIMs. The iPhone 14 Pro supports both, but you can't mix them for physical SIMs unless your region has specific rules. Check before you try fancy combos. If you're traveling internationally, swapping physical SIMs simplifies things. Just repeat this process when switching to a local SIM at your destination. It's way cheaper than international roaming fees, which can quickly hit you with $300 bills. Oh, and one more thing. Keep the ejector tool in your wallet or bag moving forward. You'd be shocked how often people realize they need it while stuck in an airport or on vacation. Don't let that be you. If you're in the US, know that some iPhone 14 Pro models are eSIM only. This guide still applies to models with SIM trays. For those of you with eSIM-only devices, enjoy not worrying about this entire 12-step process. Must be nice. So there you have it, a SIM install that doesn't require tech support or a panic attack. Honestly, once you've done it, you'll wonder why you overthought it. All it takes is the right tool and about 3 minutes.